back to Truck Spotting Great Lakes. We are on Highway 17/11, and we're coming into Thunder Bay. Definitely, all the leaves are almost gone. It's definitely fall. Not looking forward to that. But might as well get it done and over with, I guess. So I hope everybody's day is doing well. Hope you hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that share and that bell to notify that you don't miss out on any of the awesome videos and awesome other stuff that we have here. So Thunder Bay has changed things up a little bit. Again, email. Not that long ago, I was down south and I got it. So I guess we're not allowed to go on the 102 anymore in Thunder Bay. That's been restricted now, and we have to stay on the 11 and 17 all the way through Thunder Bay and just follow it that way. So, and not to mention, what I read was that the cops will be keeping an eye on anybody trying to get onto the 102. Even though it don't make sense to me, the 102 keeps all the truck traffic away from Thunder Bay. They even have a scale there and all that stuff, but no, they don't want any more people going, any more trucks going on the 102. So, yeah, it's so you're going to find a lot more traffic going through the city than anything else. It's not going to be faster. It's going to take a lot longer now to go around it. Go through it. So I'll take you on a bit of a tour there. I made the mistake one day of forgetting or missing the 102 exit, and I went around and it just felt like it took forever. Well, we're 3 miles to the 102, which clearly we cannot go on there. I'm kind of curious on if they put up a sign saying no trucks. Imagine they did. I know they were talking about it a long time ago, but they hadn't done it up until about 2 weeks ago. I guess the good thing about it is all the people that live on that street won't have to worry about the noise of a big truck or big trucks and the traffic of the big trucks going through there. So I'm wondering what kind of a fine you would get for going on that road. I don't really want to find out, but if anybody has gone through there and gotten a fine in the process, leave a comment down below and let us know so I can tell the rest of the truckers you know, what you would be expecting when you get something like that. Jumping post. think these guys realize it says no trucks. You're not allowed to go down there unless you're delivering a load. Oh well. Now it's been a long time since I've been this way. How we gotta do it now, guys. Drivers, or anybody that, well, I guess drivers. Only applies to truck drivers. This rule. There's lots of rules that applies to us, but this is a change that adds